Welcome to our YouTube channel, Scholars. In this video, we explore the fascinating topic of how AI models like Chatgpt can influence human beliefs and perceptions. AI models such as Chatgpt have rapidly advanced in recent years, capable of generating human-like text and engaging in conversations. These models have the potential to shape our understanding of various topics. Chatgpt and similar AI models learn from massive amount of data, enabling them to respond to questions and provide information. However, they can also inadvertently perpetuate biases or reflect the beliefs present in the data they were trained on. AI models like ChatGPT are powerful tools, but we must be mindful of the biases inherent in the data they learn from. It's essential to critically evaluate the information they provide and cross-reference it with other reliable sources. AI models can inadvertently reinforce existing beliefs or even introduce new perspectives. As users, crucial to approach AI-generated content with a critical mindset, seeking diverse viewpoints to ensure a well-rounded understanding. While AI models like ChatGPT can provide valuable insights, it's important to remember that human discernment is vital. We must actively engage with the information they generate, critically evaluating and fact-checking when necessary. As we conclude this brief exploration of how AI models like ChatGPT impact human beliefs, let us embrace the potential of these technologies while remaining vigilant in our quest for accurate knowledge and diverse perspective. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep learning and growing.